Hello, hello, hello. It is Stephanie Deeds, your favorite realtor here at the Deeds Group at Remax, and I have your September market update ready for you. I don't think that you will be terribly surprised by what we have to share with you. The numbers look very similar to what they have over the last several months. Probably about a year now we've been seeing this. Number of homes for sale is still down. We're at about 3/4 of the inventory that we had at this time last year, which actually is a good thing because I think some point this summer we were at about half the inventory we had last year. So to be at 3/4, that at least shows that we, from a percentage perspective, we are having an increase in inventory. So that's good. The number of closed sales is down. That is explained by the lessened inventory. There's not as many homes out there to purchase. And it's not down by a whole ton. It's just a little bit. If you want to see these exact numbers, feel free to click in the comments and take a look at what they actually are. Average sales prices are up across the Metroplex. In Tarrant County specifically, the average sales price in September of 2020 was $320,000. Right now in September this year, it was $387,000. That is $67,000 over the course of a year. I just spoke with a client earlier this week and another one last week. I mean, there are certain areas where we are seeing $50,000, $75,000, $100,000 in gained equity just over the last 12 months. And based on what these numbers are telling me, that makes sense on what I'm seeing on an individual basis as well. Average days on market, 2020 to 2021 of September. In Tarrant County, we dropped from 31 to 18. In Johnson County, 48 days to 20 days. We're literally seeing days on market cut in half. So if your property is listed at the right price and it's in the right condition for that price, it's going to sell like that. But hear me say that, by the way, if your home is priced at the right price for its condition, it is going to fly off the market. So this is not a situation still of let me just throw my house on the market with no prep and just put this dream price out there. I mean, obviously, we'll price it wherever you want to price it, but at the same time, please be cognizant that even in this market, there are still houses that sit 30, 45, 60 days, and then they finally do a price reduction. So all that being said, I think that we're not terribly surprised by this. I think that we are headed in the right direction still, and it is a great time to buy, sell, whatever you need to do. Interest rates are still low. So let me know how we can help, and we look forward to talking with you soon. Thanks so much. Bye.